Doamne, a iertat să se dea logogire și să se întâlnească toate prin ineța ta lui să se punea în Egipt, prin ineța premărită a din țara Babilonului, prin ineța a armat pe Moise, pentru armat în Marea Roșie pe cuvântul celor.
Soarele șoptit, luna cuvântat, lune mare, leze măcar, vine să țesească viața ta, să înflorească, să trăiești într-un mister.
Hello! I have decided to open the camera because something surreal has just happened and I want to record this because never in a million years would I have thought something like this could happen. Like, as you probably already saw in like some footage that I just edited, the music video for Namjoon's song Lost has been shot in Romania with an entire team of Romanian people helping the rest of the team and stuff. So since that music video was released, I tried to contact some people from the Romanian team if they want to do an interview with me to basically promote the team of Romanians that worked with Namjoon in Romania. Some of them have politely declined, some of them haven't replied yet, but I managed to talk to the official producer, and I just finished the interview with her almost an hour ago or something. I just started transcribing the interview, and that's when it hit me. Wait, I want to open the camera and record this as like a memory, because like I always say, like Romania isn't really an important country, especially when it comes to like big artists and just tour wise. Like Europe in general is basically ignored, especially Eastern Europe, from where Romania is. And of course, as a Romanian fan and like the fandom here, like the local fandom, everyone keeps on dreaming about BTS having a concert here. But in the beginnings, we were like, Romania is a small country. I don't think they will take it into consideration if they ever tour here, like in Europe and stuff. But I think what just happened last year is like even more meaningful and special. Like all these years, we were dreaming of BTS coming in Romania to have a concert here, but instead we got Namjoon filming a whole music video here. Like I'm sorry, but that's almost even more special, because a music video is part of his legacy, and like Romania is part of that. Like, what? I really felt honored that she accepted my interview. By the time this vlog sees the light of day, the interview would have already been posted, so I will leave a link to it down below, because I will be publishing it obviously both in Romanian and English, so it can reach an entire audience, like a greater audience, if that makes sense. So I would love it if you would check it out if you want to. But besides filming this to have it as a memory to look back on, I also again want to tell you that don't let anybody make fun of what you love and your passion, who you love, who you care, who you support, because you never know when that passion can lead you to something else. I am a journalist, but look at me. I write news for a TV station, and I wasn't able to do this interview for the TV station I work for, but I did it for the NGO I'm part of that promotes Korean culture. That's where I was able to post this interview. That's where you can check it out. And that's a cultural association. That's an NGO that promotes Korean culture. I'm part of that because I love Korean culture, because I love K-pop, because I love BTS. And thanks to all this, look what's come to. Like, again, don't let anybody, like I said even vlogs and vlogs ago, when I had the interview for the Korean embassy, like for a job, for a possible job at the Korean embassy. How would have that been possible if I didn't have a passion for Korean culture? Again, it all started from a passion I have. So, once again, don't let anybody make fun of what you love, of what you're interested in, who you support. That's your business and nobody else's. You do you.
Welcome to Jungkook's Microcosmos. Bluetooth mode is on. Power will be off after 30 minutes. Power will be off after an hour. Power will be off after 2 hours. Timer setting has been cancelled. See you soon. 또 만나요.
K-pop has gained huge popularity in Romania. From the most popular idol groups such as BTS to the traditional K-pop of the 1980s and 1990s. For this, I have to extend my sincere appreciations to the local K-lovers community, including 사랑 한국, Oneul, for the support.